Where's?
There's someone to my right.
Down Raider.
He's down.
What the fuck? He's got a survivor. He's got a survivor augment. He's like 1 HP. Have you got a suppressor? Wait.
Hush, little baby, don't you cry.
He must have seen us at the last second and be like, oh fuck.
Yeah, you had to have seen us. He must have been crawling for some time. He's like, finally, guys, I just made it to the exit. He looked up and he's like, oh shit, there's people. There's people. His buddies, they're probably in voice chat with his buddy. He's like, yeah, I have to crawl out. I've got so much stuff on me. I can't I have to leave.
It's a fact he turned around. He was like, oh shit.
No.
Shit is funny, man. It's funny. So, what? There's people. What the fuck?
No fucking way. The last guy ran off.
Down there.
Yeah, I cracked him.
Damn! Imagine being that fucking bad. Imagine being that fucking dog
Oh,
shit.
this guy's pre-kit. Yeah, if you really look, I think you could see. Avengers, somebody. Why am I snapping on that?
This is fucking easy. I didn't even realise you could get up there, Jack.
Yeah.
We didn't either. We just saw a little nub sticking out and we thought, yeah, we'll give it a go.
Let's give it a go. Another one would be see if you can get on the top of this one.
Now we sit and wait. Easy peasy.
Oh yeah, they're right here. Yeah, the process is
Crude
easy as fuck to farm though.
Yeah,
Like, you can farm them so easy.
all the electrical lockers, easy peasy.
Yeah.
As soon as you get a stack of 5s, just stick it up your shitter. Oh, here we go.
Yeah. But what was that? A suppressed anvil maybe?
It sounds like ours. It sounds like our loot.
Sounds like my gun.
Sounds like my soon-to-be gun.
But therefore, if someone like does shoot up here, oh shit, they're here. Oh my god, he's looking right at me. Oh my god, they're right there. Oh.
You ready to go boom? Ah, you should have checked it a bit better, buddy. Way.
Oh, they're so loaded. But there's so many bodies here, though, if you get fucking caught, you're fucked.
Fuck it. Now we stay.
Oh my god. But they're gonna see these fucking bodies.
Yeah, they might see these bodies, but they ain't gonna see these hands. The new stuff's just crap.
Someone's getting jolt mined.
It's fine, let them kill each other. They're just gonna condense all the good loot down for us to loot in one good packet of loot.
I go into like a solo raid on Arc Raiders and just like be like really friendly to people, and then just fucking kill them when they're extra. Go in with free kits because I don't care.
But you should make a fucking Instagram account. All you do is like befriend people, just like the friendly raider. Call yourself like the friendly raider.
The Bay Harbor Raider strikes again.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Oh, they're right down there.
Just wait.
Where's he going? What's he doing? What the fuck is he doing?
We gotta wait for his teammates.
What's he doing? Oh, he's a teammate? Oh, oh. Right, ready? Oh, fuck.
Must suck to suck.
There's another one.
Safe window is closing.
Out there.
10 minutes to get out of there. I repeat, 10 minutes.
I think I know him.
Get that motherfucker.
Wait, how am I dead? Oh my, he's close. He's right on the wall, you can take him. Yeah,
You got him?
Such a bad move.
Give me the goop. Give me the goop.
such good loot.
It don't matter. It's good loot, but we can still get more.
I'm literally full inventory.
Fuck you. We can still get more.
I'm not even half.
Here we go, here we go.
Oh shit. It's showtime.
They camping it.
What the fuck?
I'm about to kill 2 guys, alright? The last guy's gonna be on the left, alright?
What, can we roll out?
Yeah, just wait.
Alright.
He's 1 HP. Easy peasy.
Items.
I don't think they're very good at the game.
Down there.
Shit, ready? Loser!
No, you lot suck, by the way, actually.
There's nothing on him.
Doesn't matter. I literally he had 1 cracked bioscanner. Why is he trying to leave with 1 fucking bioscanner?
What a story. Looks like they're struggling so much to get out.
What's the story in Ballamore?
They almost made it. They could see the exit inside, but they just couldn't quite reach it. They bled out together in each other's arms.
For that whole time, he was talking to us.
Fucking losers.
They probably thought, oh, clearly they're not there anymore. They must have gone. They
Yeah.
just fucking ran.
They'd convinced themselves that we're not actually here. They're like, yeah, bro, it's safe to go. Fucking,
Why were they leaving? They literally had fucking nothing.
they're fucking doinks. Players. You see me?
Finish that fucker. Is he not dead? Did he die?
Yeah.
Down there.
Yeah, I can't really see it though, tell me. Oh, I can see it though. Oh yeah. Ready? Oh, are we waiting?
I'm dead.
Did you get that?
Yeah. Well. Today is not the day for you.
Oh, he's fucking open. He's dead, bro. What the fuck?
Bro, this guy's organ was ruined as well. Back up we go. This is just nuts. This is actually just fucking nuts.
So fucking good.
It's just so easy.
And this is why we get put in the fucking lobbies we get put in. It's because we do shit like this. They're watching us. The devs are watching us.
I fucking hope so. Take fucking tips. Watch and learn, motherfucker.
Oh wait, he's just doing it. Oh fuck. Oh, good one.
Good one. Yeah, push it. I might have just been him. Players. Uh-oh!
Ah!
Stinky. Poo, poopy, funny poopy, la la la.
How is he not dead from
Funny
being
poo,
on fire?
poo funny, woo. Funny poo, poo funny, woo. Hello. Don't worry, man. I'll get you, buddy. You can leave. Psych!
And it killed me.
Trigger nades are
Horrendous,
slow as
man.
hell.
Deadline.
I've known Jackson's, what, fucking like... How old were we? Like 10?
What's your surname? Is it Hoffman?
Middle school.
That was so shit, Aiden. That was so shit.
Gears up.
Goes up.
Let's
There's a guy here.
No, like if we book in like enough advance.
I buggered it and I threw my trigger nade on the pipe.
There's one more guy here. Oh yeah.
Do well.
no shots left.
The other guy's fucking ran for it.
Everything off the fucking body.
Yeah, you fucked up, buddy.
Josh, a couple of his mates. Me,
You're not very good.
Zach.
Yeah, cry about a Stephen King TTV. Read a book.
Stephen King TTV.
Oh, hang on. People coming.
Oh yeah, they're coming.
Tap in,
Get ready,
motherfucker.
Yeah, there's one guy there.
Yeah.
Oh, look at him.
Just wait. Let him get close.
Does he know?
I don't know if he saw me or not.
Nah, he won't. But what? That was so weird though. He came around the corner and then he's like, he went back. He has a fucking pharaoh.
Oh no.
It's not looking good.
Maybe it's just
So,
using
did he see us?
I think he saw me.
There's no way.
Wait, he's like,
he's peeking.
What's he doing?
He's got a lot of loot, that's what it is.
What's he waiting for?
His teammates probably.
Oh no. Oh,
It didn't hit me.
It's just one guy,
All
no?
raiders, we have Archon
Hey, what's he doing?
5 minutes
wait.
left.
Do you want to just
Find a way home. Raider, over there.
blow him up?
Shall we? Let me know when. Now?
Yeah, go for it.
Hey, well done.
Just be careful up the hallway just in case.
He closed the fucking door. Wait, it's just a free kit. Wait, what the fuck is this?
Right here. Just get back up. They'll have more. I mean, more people. Trust.
But he was so paranoid.
Okay,
You really need to get out.
There's no way she's the only guy, bro. Please.
It don't matter.
no
Even if
way.
it is, we've succeeded. We've won. It's not about the loot. It's about sending a message.
always check your call.
It's about ruining other people.
But it's just like, what can that guy even do? He was so aware and still can't see us.